In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method to the Airbnb application. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up Airbnb like you normally would. Then you want to go to the bottom menu and select on the option over here that says Profile. Then underneath settings, you should see an option that says payments and payouts. So all you want to do is go ahead and press on it like so, and then go ahead and select on this option that says payment methods. And then from there, what you can do is you can go ahead and press on this button that says add payment method like so. And from here, you guys will have a bunch of different options. You guys could add your PayPal or even your credit or debit card to Airbnb. So for this video, I'm just going to be using my PayPal really quickly. And there you go, guys. Just like that, it was able to connect my Airbnb account to my PayPal account. Now, if you're doing this with a debit card or a credit card, then you will need to put in that card information, the expiration date and stuff like that. So keep that in mind. At any point in time, you guys can go ahead and remove this payment method or even add another one. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.